I'm now on the southern section of Pennsylvania Route 26. 26 runs north to south in the middle of the state. The northern part actually goes through State College and a bit beyond there. Then it runs for about 12-15 miles alongside Raystown Lake, and I'm at the very southern section of it. Lovely little road. I'm in the Buchanan State Forest right now, and this right here is the first vehicle I've seen for miles. The road's in good shape. There are a few twists and turns that you'll see in a few minutes, but it's really isolated. Eventually, when I finish this, I'll pop into Maryland, but thought that it would be fun to get some video of this little road. I sometimes call this my new bike route because my two previous motorcycles, the first ride I did was on this stretch of road. My current one, since I got it in January, I didn't. I often stay off of roads like this in the winter simply because the state puts gravel down when it snows. There's not enough traffic to knock it up, and so they can be kind of hard to go through in the winter. So these are just basically a spring, summer, winter road. Weather Channel had promised me clear and sunny today, so that's one reason I decided to video this road. I don't think I've ever shot video on this particular section before, but as you can see, it's overcast and mostly cloudy, so the video might not be as impressive as I wanted, but at least it'll give you a sense of what the road's like. Okay, here's vehicle number 2 in the last 20 minutes. Actually pulled off and spent about 5 or 6 minutes mounting the camera on my helmet, and not a single car came by the whole time. Go, speaking of road. seen any critters yet today, but as you can imagine, anytime you're in a state forest like this, there's no shortage of deer and other things. I haven't seen a bear for a couple of years. It's strange. I mean, I think I had one riding season where I had like 3 or 4 bear encounters over the course of the summer, and then haven't seen one since. It'd be interesting to live somewhere like out here, but you would be, you know, probably 45 minutes from a grocery store farm. Whoa, there was some gravel in that curve there. Slipped a little bit. Yikes. I usually scan the curves for gravel before I enter them, but that was, whatever was in there was the same color as the pavement, because I really didn't see it. Could have been bad if I'd been hitting the curve really fast and was leaned way over, but since I'm shooting video, I'm kind of going at a relaxed pace right now. I just had my visor up a little bit because I was getting hot, and then it occurred to me that that probably doesn't help the quality of the narration. Well, there was another friggin' bit of gravel. This is going to be one of those days, huh? But with the visor up, it would probably interfere with the narration, so I'll put it back down. I'll just soldier through, because I'm actually going to stop in about 2 or 3 more miles and stop the video. And imagine this would be a fun road when it's snowing. And I meant that in the sense of this would not be a fun road when it was snowing. Technically, the speed limit right here is 55, but don't think I'm going to do that. It's extremely rare to get behind a vehicle and get held up on this road. I mean, 98% of the time, I'm the only one out here. But we're just about at the end. Okay, that's all the good part. So I'm gonna like look for an intersection or somewhere flat that I can pull over and take the camera off my helmet and continue the ride. Try to remember if this church has a paved parking lot. I don't think it does, but this intersection will do. Well, it does have a paved parking lot.